Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver. I have a mobile mechanic job on a BMW X5 later, and I decided a giant C-clamp isn't going to cut it. So let's check out this Icon Master Brake Caliper set. Silly me, I didn't need to bring my caliper hanger. The last guy left this thing in here for me. That was a good adventure. Even though most of the money from that job went to this brake tool set, it was worth it. I highly recommend it. I'm grateful my dad taught me the C-clamp method 20 years ago, but I'm also grateful I'll never be doing that again. Thanks for watching. This is Alex Daly for Daily Driver.